Have you ever wondered how plants make their food? It's like they have an inbuilt kitchen where they whip up their meals, but not like us humans or animals. They don't need to hunt or gather. Instead, they harness the energy of the sun, take a sip of water from the soil, and breathe in carbon dioxide from the air. Voila! They've cooked up their own food. It's a process we call photosynthesis. Imagine if we could make our meals using just sunlight. But how exactly do plants use sunlight to create their food, you might ask? Well, it's a process called photosynthesis, and it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of it like baking a cake. The plants absorb sunlight, which acts as the oven in our baking analogy. This sunlight energy is then used to combine carbon dioxide from the air and water from the ground, which are like the flour and sugar in our cake. Through a remarkable process, these ingredients are transformed into glucose, a form of sugar that plants use as food. This is like the delicious cake that comes out of the oven, but instead of a sweet smell wafting through the kitchen, the plants release oxygen as a byproduct, which is pretty great for us since we need oxygen to breathe. So, plants are like silent green chefs, cooking all day long. Why is this process so important, you ask? Well, photosynthesis is like the lungs of our planet, providing much of the oxygen we breathe. It's the chef in nature's kitchen, whipping up food that fuels life on Earth. And let's not forget, it's an essential player in the carbon cycle, helping to regulate our climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. In short, without photosynthesis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. So next time you see a plant, remember, it's hard at work, making the world a better place.